I'm Sidney Thorpe, musical director and keyboard player.
I'm Donovan Palmer, keyboard player for Fab Five.
My name is Junior Bailey, and I'm one of the two original members of Fab Five.
My name is Kingsley Boyd. I'm the drummer for Fab Five.
Yes, my name is Andre Palmer. I'm the trumpeter for the band.
I have a sad story to tell you. My name is Andrew Casanova, and I'm the lead vocalist of Fab Five.
Yeah, I'm Frankie Campbell, bass player, leader of Fab Five. All of 54 years. Can you imagine that?
I stay with a big pile of shaving cream, be nice and clean, shave every day, and you'll always be clean.
Shaving Cream, Fab Five's mid-1975 remake of the popular song originally written by Benny Bell, wasn't the band's first big song, but once they came out with this version, many more people started to look at them.
It was a fun song. I thought a really huge hit.
Starting in 1970, the group of mostly Kingston College colleagues started under the moniker Sing Out Jamaica, from which was born the Fabulous Five, with original members Frankie Campbell, Conroy Cooper, Grub Cooper, Peter Scarlett, Steve Golding, and Junior Bailey. Today, only two of the original members remain, but the music is still the same. But what made these then youngsters want to go into music? Simply put,
To get girls. Simple as that.
and with that, the secret behind the 1987 hit heard around the world is no longer a secret, with its lyrics seemingly criticizing the females of this wood and watery isle, and in another vein, praising them.
Jamaican woman, a sugar and salt. Some of them are general and we make you ball. Jamaican woman, a sugar and salt. Some of them are general and we make you ball.
This was personal experience, you know. Not me, I'm a decent person, but grew up in walk around all the place and do everything. Like I told you before, we tend to like women, and that took us all around Jamaica. And we looked at all the different parishes, and we saw all the different, you know, all the little quirks that every parish and the ladies had. And we grew up and wrote the song about the ladies.
The group has had successes in the reggae, dancehall, soca, and soul genres, a feat not many can boast.
Our first soca hit was You're Safe. We didn't really intend to do soca music, but once again, grew up, said he heard this song, and said, let's try it. And it worked, and then of course we started to do a lot of soca songs.
Oh gosh.
We love to see the ladies parading in the plaza, in a uptown and downtown, profiling all around town in them. Slim girl, fat girl in a Jamaican girls and all the nice girls all night party, all night party, all night party, all night party. Hey, I said I love how you talk me better, love how you play me sister, hey you must and you bet, and really my fire easy, fire, fire easy, fire.
And Soul, Asking for Love, is a huge hit in Jamaica, playing at every session.
Somewhere in my life, I must have done something to earn some love. Today I'm asking for my lady, today I'm asking for my baby, please. I'm asking for love. Somewhere in my youth, I must have done something to earn some love. Now I'm all so cold and lonely, I need someone to love and hold me, please. I'm asking for love. Na 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 na.
And of course our Christmas music is well known. But the first band in Jamaica and the Caribbean to do all original Christmas album, Christmas in the Sun, that is still the most popular Christmas album in Jamaica today.
And something else that you may not have known.
Average Jamaicans don't realize that we played on Bob Marley's first million seller, not with Bob Marley singing it. Bob Marley as a songwriter, and that song was Tear It Up by Johnny Nash. And we did the album, I can see clearly now. That was a huge, big million-selling album with Johnny Nash. And he did about 5 Bob Marley songs on that album, and we played.
Another point of note is that while the band was just emerging, reggae music too was in its infancy. So we were keen to know what influences were responsible for the boys of Fab Five.
Our influence would have been people like Baron Lee and the Dragonaires, who was a big band at the time. Yeah, Baron Lee and the Dragonaires was a big band at the time, and he used to travel the world.
And after half a century has passed, the band called the Fab Five would like the world to know
we're still here, Fab Five is still strong, still relevant, right? Once we hit a stage, young people can't get enough of us.
This is an all-night party. All night.